Okay, good morning, students. In in the previous class, we have discussed about rational numbers, how to rational numbers in the form of p by q. In this class, we are going to learn about irrational numbers. What is meant by irrational numbers? Okay, irrational numbers, a number which cannot be expressed or written in the form of p by q are called irrational numbers. What is called irrational numbers? Okay, irrational. So what is meant by irrational numbers? Generally it is okay, irrational numbers means a number which cannot be expressed in the form of p by q, where p comma q belongs to z and q not equal to 0 is called irrational number. It is denoted by q dash. Okay. In rational number, a number which can be expressed in the form of p by q is called rational number. A number which cannot be expressed in the form of p by q, cannot be expressed or cannot be written in the form of p by q, where p comma q belongs to r, q not equal to 0. If q equal to 0, for example, p equal to 2, q equal to 0, anything by 0 not defined. So that's why q not equal to 0 is called irrational number. It is denoted by q dash and thus non-terminating and non-repeating decimals are called irrational numbers. Okay, what is the definition of the irrational numbers? A number which cannot be expressed or written in the form of p by q, where p comma q belongs to z and q not equal to 0 is called irrational number. It is denoted by q dash. Thus non-terminating and non-repeating decimals are called irrational numbers. Okay. Now examples of irrational numbers. Examples of irrational numbers. Okay. First one, 0.01 00 1 000 1, so on, so on. Is a non-terminating, and repeating decimal, and therefore decimal, and so therefore it is a irrational number. Okay, why? Because 0.01 00100001, so on. It is a non-terminating. It is not a terminating decimal. It is not a terminating. Terminating decimal means 3.5 terminating decimal. 3.5 terminating. 1.3 bar is also terminating. Okay. 3.5, 2.5, they all are terminating decimal. But 0.010010001, so on. It is non-terminating or non-repeating decimal. Repeating decimal means 1.3 bar. It is a repeating decimal. Here, no one number is repeated. So, the series. For example, 0.1010101010. So we can write 0.10 bar. It is a repeating decimal. It is a rational number. It can be expressed in the form of p by q. But this decimal or non-terminating or non-repeating decimal cannot be expressed in the form of p by q or cannot be written in the form of p by q. That's why it is a irrational number. 0.0 like number 0.010010001, like some numbers are, which numbers are non-terminating or non-repeating decimals are called irrational numbers. And second one, okay, √2, √3, √5, √7, √11 okay, and √10, √8, all are irrational numbers. All are irrational numbers. Why? Because √2 we cannot express in the form of p by q. √5 cannot express in the form of p by q. √7 cannot express. √7, √11, √10, √8, and all so on. All like these numbers cannot be expressed in the form of p by q. That's why they are called irrational numbers. Because irrational numbers. Next, third one. You can write just 3 cube root of 2, cube root of 5, cube root of 7, cube root of 10, so on. All are called irrational numbers. Irrational numbers. Okay? And some more examples are there. And last one. And some numbers are there like pi. We know pi. Pi means 22 by 7. But approximate value, pi is 22 by 7 is a approximate value but not exactly. That's why pi comma e are called e has some value are called irrational numbers. Irrational numbers. Okay? 0.01001 so on is non-terminating and non-repeating decimal, so therefore it is an irrational number. Root 2, root 3, root 5, root 7, root 11, root 10, root 8 all are irrational numbers. Okay, next cube root of 2, cube root of 5, cube root of 7 and cube root of 8. Okay, cube root of 8. Take cube root of 8. It is not a irrational number. Why? Because cube root of 8 means 8 power 1 by 3. 2 is written as 2 cube and 2 cube whole power 1 by 3. 3 cancel, that is 2. 2 is a irrational number. Sorry, 2 is a rational number. So that's why cube root of 8. Cube root of 8 and cube root of 27 is also not a irrational number. Some cube roots of numbers are only irrational numbers, not all. Pi comma e are called irrational numbers. These are the examples of the some more examples of the irrational numbers right now. Okay, you can write pi value. Pi equal to 3 point approximately 1,5,9,2,6,5,8,9,7,9,3,2 so on. It is not a terminator, non-terminator. It is also non-terminator. Okay, pi value. It is a irrational number. Irrational number. Okay, irrational number. Next. Now properties of irrational numbers. Now we are learn examples of irrational numbers like root 0.01001 and root 2, root 3, root 5. Okay, these are the irrational. Now properties of irrational numbers. Properties of irrational numbers. Irrational okay, first one, and sum of two irrational numbers need not to be, need not to be, need not to be an irrational number. Need not to be irrational. The sum of two irrationals, like example 5 minus root 3 plus 5 plus root 3. Okay, these are sum of two irrational numbers. 5 minus root 3, one of the irrational number. 5 plus root 3, another irrational number. The sum is 5 minus root 3 plus 5 plus root 3. Root 3 minus root 3 both are cancelled. 5 plus 5, 10. Okay, 10 is a rational number. Rational number. 5 is a rational number. Okay, the sum of two irrational numbers need not to be an irrational number. Okay, next, the difference of two irrational numbers. Difference of two irrational numbers need not to be an irrational. Okay, 3 plus root 2 minus 5 plus root 2. Okay, difference of two irrational numbers. 3 plus root 2 minus 5 plus root 2. Okay, 3 plus root 2 minus into plus minus 5 minus into plus minus root 2. Okay, plus root 2 minus root 2 both are cancelled. 3 minus 5 minus 2. Minus 2 is a rational number. Okay, the sum of two irrational numbers need not to be an irrational number. This is irrational number, this is irrational. Here what we have to do? Then here the sum of two irrational numbers. The sum of two irrational numbers need not to be irrational. Okay, rational number. Okay, the difference of two irrational numbers need not to be an irrational. So this one of the irrational number, another irrational number. So we are doing difference. We are finding difference. Now 3 plus root 2 minus into plus minus 5 minus into plus minus root 2 plus root 2 minus root 2 both are cancelled. 3 minus 5 minus 2. Minus 2 is a rational number. And write down some more are there. Next, third property. Product of two irrational numbers. Product of irrational numbers. Product of irrational numbers. Irrational numbers need not to be irrational. Need not to be irrational. Okay, for example, root 3 into root 3 equal to root 3 all square. That means 3. That means 3. And another need not. This is rational. This is rational. Okay, for example, root 3 into root 5, root 15. Root 15 is a irrational. Irrational. Need not to be. And the product of irrational numbers, some rational or irrational. The product of irrational numbers may be rational, may be irrational. Maybe the product of two rational numbers may be rational or irrational. This is rational, it is irrational. So, for example, root 3 into root 5, root 15, root 15. Root 15 is a irrational. Irrational. Okay. Now, fourth one, quotient of 2. Quotient of two irrationals need not to be irrational. Need not to be irrational. And for example, okay, 2 root 3 and root 3 are the two irrational numbers. Now take 2 root 3 by root 3. Root 3 cancel, 2 came. So the quotient of irration. Quotient means here root 2 root 3 is divisible by root 3. 2 root 3 are divisible by root 3. The quotient means like this is the quotient. So quotient here 2. That means 2 is a rational. And the quotient of two irrational numbers need not to be rational. May be rational, may be irrational. May be rational, may be irrational. Okay? The quotient of two irrational numbers need not to be rational. That means the quotient of two irrational numbers may be rational or irrational. This is the example of rational. And for example, 3 root 3 by root 5. 3 root 3 by root 5. They definitely came irrational. So this is the example. Okay? These are the properties of irrational numbers. We learned so far here 4 properties of irrational numbers. What are the properties? The sum of two irrational numbers may be irrational. So need not to be irrational. That means may be rational or irrational. And the difference of two irrational numbers may be rational or irrational. Need not to be irrational. And the product of irrational numbers need not to be rational, may be rational or irrational. And the quotient of two irrational numbers need not to be irrational, may be rational or irrational. These are the properties. Now, some more properties are there. Okay, some more properties. Roman number 1. Sum of a rational and irrational is an irrational. Okay? sum of rational and irrational is a rational. Examples. 3 plus 3 is a rational. 3 plus root 3. 3 plus root 5. Root 5 is a irrational. It is irrational. Okay. 3 plus root 5. 3 is a rational. Root 5 is a irrational. The sum is irrational. Okay. Now, difference of a rational and irrational is an irrational. Example, 5 is a rational minus root 2. 5 is a rational, root is irrational. So the difference of rational and irrational, which is in bracket, irrational. Okay? The sum of a rational and irrational is an irrational number. The difference of a rational and irrational is also an irrational number. And third one, product of a rational and irrational is an irrational. Okay. Rational. 2 examples. 2 is a irrational. Root 3 is a irrational. Product means 2 into root 3 equal to 2 root 3. 2 root 3 is a irrational. 2 root 3 is a irrational. And fourth one, another example, root 5 into 3. 3 root 5 is a irrational. And quotient of other one, quotient of a rational and irrational is an irrational. Okay, quotient of rational and irrational is an irrational. For example, 2 by root 3, 5 by root 2, 5 by root 2. These are the examples. So when 2 divides root 3, came irrational. When 5 divides by root 2, came irrational. Okay, these are the properties of the irrational numbers. Okay, what are the properties of irrational numbers? Sum of a rational and irrational numbers is an irrational. Difference of a rational and irrational is an rational. Product of a rational and irrational is an irrational. And quotient of rational and irrational is a rational number. Okay. Okay, students. Now we are. What are the main properties? Sum of a rational and irrational is an irrational. 3 plus root 5 is irrational number. Difference of a rational and irrational is a rational number. Example 5 minus root 2 is a irrational. Product of a rational and irrational is an rational, and 2 into root 3, 2 root 3, 5 into 5, root 5 into 3, 3 root 5, and quotient of a rational and irrational is an irrational, 2 by root 3, 5 by root 2. Okay, and for example, A is a, for example, A is a rational and root B is a irrational. Then A plus root B is irrational and A minus root B is irrational and A by root B is irrational. Okay, now we have to write one remark here. After that, these are the properties. Now write one remarkable. Remark. If A is a rational number and root B is an irrational, then each of A plus root B, comma, A minus root B, comma, A by root B are irrationals. Okay, if A is a rational and root B, what number we have to assume, and root B is as irrational, then each of the A plus root B, A minus root B and A by root B are irrationals. And examples: 4 plus root 3, 8 minus root 5 and 5 root 3 and 3 by root 2 and 3 by root 2 are irrationals. Okay, these are the main. If A is a rational and root B is an irrational, then each of the, it is irrational, it is irrational, it is irrational. All these are irrational forms. These are the examples. Okay, students, in this class we have learned up to irrational numbers. In the next class, let us discuss hand sheet 4. Okay.